What's up guys, it's Darren Espanto and I have been invited by Jamie and Leia to take over the Unbox PH YouTube channel, and today we're going to be looking at the new Vivo V17 Pro. So come on out guys!
We're here!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Of course, there was already an intro by none other than Darren Espanto. So we're here to give him a series of challenges, testing his knowledge as a Vivo brand ambassador about the phone and Vivo in general.
Yeah.
And then the second challenge is he has to teach us how to take amazing selfies because this Tito can't.
What are the camera specs of the Vivo V17 Pro?
So the Vivo V17 Pro has a rear camera. It has 48 megapixels. And it's really good for taking pictures anywhere. Also, kahit nighttime.
Yeah.
I've been using this a lot, and it also has a front-facing camera. And there's two cameras as well. There's a 32 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel camera, which is good for wide-angle selfies.
Correct.
Of course, magagamit nyo yan with your friends or at parties. So yeah.
Actually, ito about Darren naman.
Sige.
Natanong ko na kanina, but I'm gonna ask again. You are, well, one of your songs is Dying Inside. Question, how did you even know about that song? You weren't even born yet.
Yeah.
So I had to sing it as a soundtrack for the movie called All of You. And I haven't heard it before that, pero I have. I heard it during road trips when other people would play it. But I never really memorized or learned the song until I had to sing it for a movie. And then yeah.
Do you know who the original artist is?
Yeah, so it's Timmy Thomas, and it was released in 1990, and the composers are the band Hassel Brothers. So yeah.
Okay, so next question. The Vivo 17 Pro has dual front cameras, but the phone actually has like a bigger brother, quote unquote. Do you know what that phone is?
Yes, it's the Vivo Nex. So it also has a pop-up camera. So
correct.
Yeah.
We don't have it here, but there's a review up on the channel or on the website for it, so you can check it out.
We do have a video on it though.
Yeah.
You can link on
Somewhere
screen if you want to learn more about that.
Like he knows his stuff as a brand
I
ambassador.
know! Diba?
These phones can do a lot these days. But it's basically like a computer in your hand.
Yeah.
Do you happen to play any like mobile games or things like that? Like when you're passing the time?
On my Vivo, I usually play like ROS.
Oh, okay.
Yung mga ganun. I also like to ano pa ba? Parang ROS lang. Like the other ones kasi are parang mobile pastime games.
Yeah.
Yung Vivo nga po, it also has a game mode, so no one can disturb you or call you while you're playing, so hindi ka mamamatay. Yeah.
Hassle nga yun.
True.
Yun lang may notifications.
Yeah.
No.
You have to keep.
You know the RAM and the storage. Wait a minute.
Without looking at the box right in front of you.
Yeah, so it has 8 gigabytes and then 128 ROM.
Magpamali ka naman ng isa. Pagbigyan mo na kami. Do you know what the processor is?
The processor.
Ding 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 ding! That's
a-
time!
Ano yung processor?
Snapdragon 675.
Wow.
But guys naman, this is what I do for a living, no? Hindi naman ako kumakanta or sumasayaw.
So I'll sing Dying Inside na lang.
Ayun.
And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you.
Grabe, suwabe talaga.
Hindi, ang linis ng shifting mo sa resonances from chest
you.
to... Ang linis
Yeah, super.
I love that. So,
Grabe. I think I'm pretty much done. I think Darren has definitely completed his part of the challenge in regards to his knowledge about the V17 Pro and the overall brand, his overall brand knowledge. So I think it's time to ask for a little help for taking selfies. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay guys, so on to part 2 of this challenge, which is Darren teaching us to take selfies. As you know, as part of this channel and the website, we happen to take a lot of selfies and they're okay, just enough to show you guys what the front cameras can do. But of course, we enlist the help of Darren to help us take better selfies with the V17 Pro and from now on, I guess. Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, I have to mention also that I want to be efficient when it comes to selfies. Kasi we do it outdoors usually, and nakikita ko yung judgment ng mga tao na you're, alam mo yung 10,000 selfies, pop up pa yung camera, so everyone knows what you're doing. But you know, you take 10,000 selfies for that one perfect shot, tapos...
That one Instagrammable picture.
Correct.
Yeah, it's so much work, but I just want to be more efficient na. 2 tries. Perfect na, o diba? Beauty queen na ako.
Yeah. So, I would have been flashing the selfies we took recently on the V17 Pro. So, Darren, give us some tips. Like, what can we do to kind of improve our selfies?
Well, one of the things that you guys should always look out for, of course, po yung lighting.
Yeah.
You don't want the shot, like for example, if the light is above you, it'll cause shadows on your face.
True.
Which you don't want. Siya pang i-edit sa Instagram, like parang mabawasan yung shadows.
Yeah.
Ganon. And also another thing I guess would be which side of your face you're more comfortable with taking selfies. Yeah, so your angle, and also just so that mas defined po yung panga nyo, so that you have a more defined jawline, of course.
Yeah. So again, just to recap what Darren said for better selfies. Light. Kasi don't follow yung ginawa ko sa selfie na kinuha ko na-emphasize ata kung gaano ka-oily yung face ko.
You're really showing off your forehead. I'm sorry, like even I saw
okay,
that.
sorry na. That's why he's here. That's why he's supposed to teach us to take better selfies.
So, pag may improvement, makikita nyo all thanks to Darren.
Yeah.
So,
Team Espanto.
yeah.
Yes.
Selfies. And then, knowing your angles, ano pa yung isang tip mo? Define yung jawline. And then, ano pa?
What else is there? So lighting, angles. What else did I say?
Parang yung side ng face, kung parang parang know your side, your better side.
One you're more comfortable with. So I guess, kinanta ko na rin po kanina, yung sayaw na din yung susunod. So, one of the signature dances from the 90s din was nung ginawa ng UMD yung Dying Inside.
Oh my gosh!
You know UMD!
I got to dance with them!
You got to dance with them?
Yeah, because when I did the single po, parang we did a flash mob. So I did it with UMD and we did it sa Rated K. And it was a lot of fun meeting the original members po ng group.
Wow.
Amazing, yeah.
We all danced.
Yeah,
So,
that's pretty good.
How do we do this? You're gonna have to like teach us like couch.
So
the couch version.
The sitting down
Couch version. Okay. Wait, are we gonna dance?
Yes, we are gonna dance.
Okay.
Guys, please continue to subscribe. You know us.
So 5, 6.
Ito pala yung magpapatagal. Isang chorus.
Go. We can do this.
Right.
And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you.
Sana manood pa rin kayo sa mga videos namin, guys. Subscribe if you like this video. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you, Darren, for joining us. Awesome video. By the way, guys, he has a YouTube channel also. Subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
It's been a while since you posted, but there's a lot of content on there already. And then he said he's gonna edit pa daw more in the future. So
we'll see.
Yeah.
And also watch out for our album. Kami ni JB.
Yes!
Oh my God! Wait, what? Hindi, joke lang, guys.
The next videos they're going to upload are singing covers, dance covers.
Oh my gosh.
Watch out for that.
Okay.
I'm
so
scared.
so that's it for this video, guys. See you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.